Let's solve this word problem question on the board. The question says the sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 123. What are the numbers? When they say consecutive numbers, what are consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are numbers that follow each other with constant difference. Like this. Let's say we have 2, 4, 6, 8. These numbers are consecutive numbers. Why? They have constant difference. The difference between 2 and 4 is 2. 4 and 6, 2. 6 and 8, 2. You can see the constant difference. Therefore, these numbers are consecutive numbers. We can also have consecutive numbers like this: 10, 20, 30, 40. What do you observe? They have constant difference. Difference between 10 and 20, 10. 20 and 30, 10. 30 and 40, 10. They have constant difference. These numbers are also consecutive numbers. Now let's go back to the question. The sum of three consecutive odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers are numbers that are not divisible by 2. We have three consecutive odd numbers. Let's use x to represent the first odd number. Let's say this first odd number is 1. 1 is an odd number because you cannot divide it by 2. The next one will be, for us to add the next consecutive odd number, let's say we add 1 to this one. If we add 1 to this one, it will be 2. 2 is not an odd number. Don't let us add 1 to it. Let's add 2. If we add 2 to this 1, we have 3. And 3 is an odd number. Therefore, we can be adding 2 to have the next consecutive odd number. For us to have the next odd number now, we can say x plus 2. The next one, we can say x plus 4. Look at it. For us to have the next one here, we add 2. For us to have the next one, we add 2. The difference between x and x plus 2 is 2. Difference between x plus 2 and x plus 4 is 2. You can see that the numbers are having constant difference. Therefore, there are three consecutive odd numbers. Going back to the question says sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 123. We add the numbers together: x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equal to 123. Now, let's add them according to their terms. X plus x plus x, we have 3x. 2 plus 4, we have 6, equal to 123. Collecting like terms, we have 3x equal to 123. We take this 6 to the other side, we have minus 6. We then have 3x equal to 123 minus 6. We have 117. At this point, we can divide both sides by 3. We then have x equal to 39. We have found the value of x, and x is the first odd number. Since x is the first number, we can find the remaining two odd numbers. Look at it. The first odd number, which is x, is 39. The second one will be x plus 2, which is 39 plus 2, 41. The next one is x plus 4. 39 plus 4, we have 43. Therefore, the odd numbers, the three consecutive odd numbers are 39, 41, and 43. That is it.